Welcome to another episode of Sanford Says. My name is Lisa Holder, Communications Officer for the City of Sanford. And it's a joy to be back here recording another episode. Our guest today is Mr. Oyewale Olatunji, and he is the CDBG Program Manager, and that stands for Community Development Block Grant. That's why they say CDBG, because it's a mouthful of words. But great program that the City of Sanford is a part of and offers to the public in terms of funding and all kinds of great opportunities. And specifically, this podcast is going to be talking about a special economic development funding opportunity for our businesses. And Mr. Oyewale, take it away. We have a lot going on. There's something especially for tomorrow, which is Wednesday, February 23rd, that people can also, business owners can attend. It's an orientation session. But let's first discuss what is it that you do for the City of Sanford in regards to your position as the CDBG Program Manager.
Well, good morning all, and thank you very much, Ms. Holder. First
Morning.
and foremost, I am the CDBG Program Manager for the City of Sanford, and being at the City of Sanford, the CDBG Program Manager entails a lot of different components, okay? Part of the program under the CDBG is public service, okay? Public service is a component in which we assist nonprofits, give them funds to go ahead and do what they already are set up to do. One may be helping the homeless. The other may be helping people with mental issues. The other may be helping people who are in the process of transitioning. So that's one component, which is a public service. Another component is minor home repair, which is probably the most popular portion of the program. Minor home repair assists people who have deferred maintenance on their homes. And within this program here, you can qualify for up to $20,000. And within the program, we cover roof, we cover electrical, we cover plumbing, we cover accessibility, and we also cover AC. Within the minor home repair program. Of course, you have to income qualify for this program. The last that I'm going to touch on, but not the least, is ED, which is also known as economic development. Economic development is what we're here to talk about today. We have a program tomorrow at 12 o'clock at the Betty D. Smith Cultural Arts Center. At the Betty D. Smith Cultural Arts Center, and we're looking for people to come who have businesses in the City of Sanford, particularly in District 2. With this program here, if you have a home-based business, you can qualify for up to $5,000 grant. Again, if you have a home-based business. If you have a brick and mortar, you can qualify for up to $15,000 grant. Now the key is to have what I like to say your paperwork straight. You must have everything right regarding your taxes. You must be in business for at least December 31st of 2019, registered in the state. And even if you don't qualify, I say come in, because I do work with people and I will hold your hand, or rather I'll have somebody else hold your hand as you go through the process.
Right. Okay. So, and your office is in City Hall. It's on the second floor of City Hall.
Yes, it is.
And your information is on our website. There's a web page with all of this information too, so you can be listening to this podcast and wondering how you can follow up or rewind, fast forward to hear the details you may have missed. But you can find the information on our website, or you can call Ms. Oyewale directly at 407-562-2779. But we feel like this podcast is timely because tomorrow is this really important, what they call a TA, Technical Assistance Orientation Session. and it's going to be held at the Betty D. Smith Cultural Arts Center. That's 119 West 5th Street in historic downtown Sanford. So please call Mr. Oyewale, sign up if you qualify for any of that criteria as a business that Mr. Oyewale had mentioned, and which shall be a small business located in District 2 within the city of Sanford. That you must be established by prior to December 31st, 2019. Applicant must be current in your financial obligations, et cetera, et cetera. I won't repeat this because you did say that, but the City of Sanford is officially soliciting proposals for eligible economic development activities to assist in the accomplishment of objectives stated in our 2015 to 2019 five-year consolidated plan, which is also located on the website. And that's like a document with like almost 1,000 pages, right?
Yes,
It
yes.
is. And
It's a work in progress.
it's a work in progress.
Also be mindful, I am offering box lunch, so call me ahead of time so I can make sure that whatever you need is there.
Right.
And the time will be between 12 to 2.
Okay.
And let's be clear about the program. If you are interested in the economic development program, this is one of the main components in order for you to qualify. If you don't make the meeting, even though I will look at your application and help you along, you can't fully qualify for the program until you come to the meeting. The meeting is a very crucial component of the whole program, because at the meeting you will have an idea as to what we expect from you and what the program is, and this is your opportunity to go ahead and ask whatever questions you have, and those questions can be addressed at that location and time.
Yeah, that's a wonderful thing. And you heard Mr. Oyewale. Please, if you're interested, it's part of the requirements to be at this meeting. And is there an RSVP limit right now?
No, there isn't. Please get in contact with me ASAP. Give me a call at 407-562-2779. If you can't use the phone, you're welcome to contact me via the internet at firstname.lastname@sanfordfl.gov. The more the merrier. Come get the information. Even if you feel you're not prepared at the present moment, get the information. You met the primary first requirement. You can document your paperwork in the future to come into the program.
Because, quite frankly, I mean, there's money on the table here, right?
Yes.
There's federal dollars,
Yes.
money on the table
Yes.
here for business owners.
Yes.
And it's to facade improvements, technology, infrastructure upgrades, training and assistance like marketing. That's pretty great. Coaching and counseling.
Yes. We're here to assist the businesses. Again, predominantly District 2, but we're open to others, but District 2 is where we're focusing on at the present moment.
Right.
Come in, get the information. Even if you're not going to utilize it at the present moment, it's good information to have for the future.
Right. And so if you don't know, and it's okay, what district your business is in, this is, we are in local government. We know how the city's divided up by commission districts. You can go on our website and put in your address, and it will tell you who your local representatives are. And so that's a great tool if you're wondering if you qualify, and if you're in District 2, if you're not sure where that may be, what the boundaries are, please do that. And that's a great opportunity for you to find out where you're located, not just for now, but just for in general. Right, Mr. Oyewale?
Yes, ma'am. For future reference, if you go into our website, I think you go into my elected official, and once you go in there, it'll pop up. When the pop-up comes in, then you put your actual address, and you'll see on the right-hand side exactly who your elected official are.
Right,
So
and
that's
then
another way for you to find out.
exactly. And in this instance, Commission District 2 is Kerry S. Wiggins Sr. He is the city commissioner for that district.
Yes, ma'am.
And so this is great information. We wanted this to be timely. We've put the an advertisement in the Sanford Herald. That's another way of notifying the public about this opportunity. We also have this podcast, social media, our website. So spread the word. This past couple years have been difficult on businesses in general due to the pandemic. And so this is just another opportunity to get yourself some dollars here to improve your business model and your business. And it sounds like a great opportunity.
Yes.
Please take advantage of it.
Let me also add, we will be having the community development manager from Seminole County, Miss Irma Stenman, and we will be having Miss Maggie Gaines from Bright House Consultant in addition to my presenting. So we'll have different people to give you as much information as you can take with you regarding your business. Hope to see you guys there.
Okay. You will see Mr. Oyewale, and you'll have a great lunch. That's really, I mean, that's another reason why I'm sure they need an RSVP, because they're going to be ordering lunch for you.
Yes.
Come in, relax, have a meal, and get some great information to improve your life in the long run, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And so, any last words that you'd like to share, Mr. Oyewale? Again, if you want to come in and talk to him, he's on the second floor of City Hall. This is a great outreach effort that CDBG and the City of Sanford is doing to support economic development growth in our city.
Well, my last word would be come one, come all. This is your opportunity to, at least, if nothing else, get the information. If you want, you can put it on a shelf and get back to it later.
Right. There's never stop learning, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It may be for you. It may not be for you. You may qualify. You may not qualify, but you never know until you participate.
Exactly.
So we're encouraging you to do that and have a nice meal while you're at it and something cold and refreshing to drink. All right. Well, thank you so much for being here on the show today, Mr. Oyewale, a member of the City Manager's Office. Great to work with you. And again, thanks for all you do for the City of Sanford. And we hope that those listening take advantage of this opportunity for economic development. This is Lisa Holder, Communications Officer for the City of Sanford. You're listening to Sanford Says, a city podcast. You can find this podcast wherever you subscribe to your favorite podcasts and on our website at sanfordfl.gov, as well as our social media. Thanks again. You have a great day, and we'll be back soon.
Thank you.
Take care now.